Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log in your Synchrony online bank account in your mobile device. For that, make sure you open your preferred browser. Now at the search bar, you can search mysynchrony.com. Now you will be led to this official page. All you have to do is tap on login. Here they will provide you three options: credit card, Synchrony Bank and the Synchrony MasterCard. We will simply choose Synchrony Bank. Here you need to fill down your credential, that is your username, likewise your password. In case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log in your Synchrony account, you can simply tap on remember username. Now in case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click on forgot username option. Here they will be asking you your social security number. All you have to do is write down your social security number and your date of birth. And if you tap on continue, they will guide you for the further process to recover your username. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply go on the option forgot password. Now here also you need to fill down your credential, that is your social security number and your date of birth. And after tapping continue, they will guide you for the further step to recover your password for the account. Now if you have a credential ready, that is your username and your password, you can simply tap on sign in and you will be logged into your Synchrony Bank online account at your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.